Hey everyone, welcome to this little escape. Today, we're taking a drone journey through a stunning rural valley in the heart of autumn. Check out this view. We're starting with these incredible aerial shots of the vast landscape, farmlands stretching as far as the eye can see. Look at the colors popping everywhere. The drone's now moving towards a charming village nestled right in the valley. The blend of the forest with the rural landscape is just breathtaking. It's amazing how nature and rural life coexist so peacefully here. Isn't this picturesque? We're getting a bird's-eye view of the village now, peeking at the houses, gardens, and the daily life unfolding below. The mountains in the background are covered with trees in full autumn colors. Let's get a closer look at the details. The village is surrounded by mountains covered in autumn foliage. Can you imagine living here, so peaceful? This is the heart of the valley, a small village nestled among the colorful autumn trees. The houses with red roofs and winding roads add to the charm. I wonder what it's like to live here year-round. Now we're flying over some of the homes. You can see gardens, greenhouses, even cars parked in the driveways. I even spotted smoke rising from one of the chimneys. It looks so cozy. This is a glimpse into a day in the life of the villagers. Someone's working in their yard, tending to their garden. It seems like a simple and peaceful way of life. As the drone soars higher, we're treated to the breathtaking beauty of the surrounding forests. The vibrant fall colors are just incredible. It's like a painting. And here's our final look at this harmonious blend of nature and rural life. I hope you enjoyed this tranquil and colorful journey through the countryside. What was your favorite view? Let me know in the comments.